Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Jera's Kitchen. I know you haven't seen me for a long time, but I can tell you guys are still watching my videos. I still see the views coming in. I thank you and I appreciate you so much. Well, remember on one of my question and answer video, I told you guys that I actually work for the cruise line, that cooking is just my hobby, but my real job is a mixologist on one of Royal Caribbean ships. Well, since the pandemic, the ships weren't sailing, but now they're gradually opening up and I'm actually back at work now. I flew in from Kingston to Miami yesterday and I overnight in the hotel, and now I'm on board. I'm in a room all by myself because once we come on board we have to quarantine for 10 days of fun. I can't go out and party or do anything. I have to stay in a room until the quarantine is up. They will provide lunch, breakfast and dinner, but in a moment I'll show you what I brought from Jamaica. You know, you can't come on the ship and bring some knickknacks, you know, it doesn't work like that. So I'll be here for 10 days, but during the 10 days, you know, I have a bunch of training to complete. And guess what, I have free internet too, so I can do my videos at the same time. I'm just gonna show you my room and come for the tour, guys. This is my beautiful bed, and this is a phone for emergency, some cabinet space, my safety deposit box, TV. Here's what the fridge looks like. So we have some water here. This is some okay, here's the office space. Okay, and we're moving to the bathroom. All right, this is how the bathroom looks. And some chemical for cleaning, toilet, and the shower. Okay, that's it. Now let's look in the closets. And here's my life jacket, just in case, you know. And some more closet space and some extra linen. I've brought my goodies bag. Can't come on the ship without the water crackers, and I have some oats, some sardine, Molasco. This is for my hot chocolate. Some Jamaican sausage, my cornbread, my round bun. I loaded up on the airline snacks. Also have some coffee too. It's my coffee. So guys, I just received some breakfast. Let us see what we have here. This is a part of my breakfast. We have some raisin bread, just a roll of butter and a piece of pastry, and beans, eggs, bacon, fruits, cereal and some, yes, some juice, apple juice. So guys, yeah, I'll be stuck here for 10 days, but of course they'll take us for sun, like some fresh air, like you know, twice per day. But some crew members were lucky to get a room with a window, but I wasn't one of the lucky ones. So you know, I have to make the best of what I have here, and I hope I can find a little space to do my little workout, because you know, I want to be slim and trim, and most of all healthy. So thanks for tuning in, and you'll see some more of my exciting videos. I'll try to take my camera outside to do a little video shoot. So don't forget to like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and turn on that post notification so you won't miss out on any one of my videos. And thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.